Bees are amazing insects. They fly from flower to flower, they collect sweet nectar. With this they make honey, but they also make something else. They make beeswax. This wax builds their home, a home called a honeycomb. It is a true marvel. Nature is very clever. Beeswax is a special material. It comes from the honey bee. It has a gentle, sweet smell. The smell reminds us of honey and of warm summer days. It can be yellow or golden. Sometimes it is even brown. The color depends on the flowers and what the bees have collected. Each piece is unique and precious. People have used beeswax for a long time. It can make beautiful candles. These candles burn brightly and cleanly. They do not make much smoke. Beeswax can also polish wood. It makes the wood shine nicely. It protects the wood too. It is a very useful substance, a wonderful gift from these tiny workers. We should appreciate its many qualities. Old honeycombs are full of wax. Sometimes bees leave an old hive, or we collect honey from the frames. The wax is still there, inside. We do not want to waste it. Rendering means to clean the wax. We melt it and take out dirt. This makes it pure and ready for us to use again. It's a good way to recycle nature's gifts. To render beeswax, we need some tools. First, find a large pot. This pot is only for wax. Do not use your cooking pots. Wax can be hard to clean from them. An old pot is best for this job. You can find one cheaply, perhaps. This pot will have a special purpose. It will help us get clean wax. It's an important first step. We need heat to melt the wax. A stove in your kitchen can work, or an outdoor camping stove is good. The heat must be gentle and low. We do not want it too hot. If it is too hot, wax can spoil, or it might even be dangerous. Slow and steady is the way to go. Patience helps us succeed in this task. You must control the heat carefully. We need something to filter the wax. This will remove bits of dirt and old parts of the hive structure. Cheesecloth is very good for this purpose. You can buy it in the shop easily, or use an old clean cotton cloth like a piece from an old t-shirt. The cloth needs to be strong enough. It will hold the hot wax safely. This step makes the wax pure, and we need containers for the clean wax. These are sometimes called molds. Small plastic tubs are perfectly fine, or special candle molds if you have them. The wax will cool down in these. It will take their shape as it hardens. We also need clean water. Water plays a crucial role in melting. It stops the wax from burning and helps separate the impurities. Now we can start the rendering. Take your old honeycombs with care. They might have some old honey or pollen. Break them into smaller pieces. This helps them melt much faster. Put these pieces in your special wax pot, the pot you chose earlier for this. Look at all the natural material there. Soon it will transform into liquid. This is an exciting moment to observe. Add water to the pot now. Enough water to cover the comb pieces. The water is very helpful indeed. It stops the wax from sticking badly. It also helps to clean the wax. Place the pot on your gentle heat source. Turn the heat on to a low setting. We must warm it up very slowly. Watch as it begins to change form. Patience is important now for good results. The wax will start to melt slowly. You will see it become a liquid. It will float on top of the water. A beautiful golden layer will form. Stir it gently from time to time. Use a wooden or a metal spoon. This helps all the wax to melt evenly. Bits of debris will float within it, or they might sink down in the water. The smell is natural and wonderfully sweet. When all the wax is finally melted, it is time to strain it carefully. Be very, very careful at this stage. The wax and water are extremely hot. Set up your filter cloth securely. Over a clean bucket or another pot. Secure the cloth well so it does not slip. Slowly pour the hot mixture now. Pour it through the cloth filter. The cloth catches the unwanted dirt. Let the filtered wax and water cool. This might take several quiet hours, or perhaps even overnight is best. The wax will become hard and solid. It forms a cake on top of the water. The dirty water is trapped below. Lift the wax cake carefully from the pot. Scrape any dirt from its bottom surface. This wax is much cleaner than before. Sometimes one melt is quite enough. For very clean wax, melt it again. This is called a second rendering. You can use a finer filter this time, or even no water for this final melt. Just melt the clean wax cake gently. Melt it very gently on low heat. Then pour it into your chosen molds. These are for the final beeswax shapes. The wax will be lovely and pure and ready for your creative projects. Working with hot wax needs great care. Hot wax can burn your skin badly. Always wear old clothes to protect you. Gloves can protect your hands well. And safety glasses for your eyes. Never leave melting wax alone. Not ever. Keep children and pets far away. Work in a place with plenty of fresh air. If wax catches fire, use a pot lid. Do not use water on a wax fire. Now you have beautiful, clean beeswax, cleaned by your own careful hands. It is a wonderful natural product from the amazing, industrious honeybees. You can make so many lovely things. Lovely candles with a sweet, gentle scent. Balms for your lips or your skin. Polish for your wooden furniture treasures. Using this wax is a true joy, a remarkable gift from nature's world.